Public Health Engineering and Corporation Laga Minister Jacob Zimomibra, June 19 din Kohima de Ahida UP election. Anti-PB PJB Alliance, ENBU Laga stand aro advisor and PJB MLA Tovi Hoto IME Khilaf. TMC Biro Ward 7 Laga INC candidate ke withdraw kurubuli aro nominee offer kura Laga arup lagaigina thaka upor kota kurse. IB Jacob Laga statement upor details pass I sabo.
Honorable MLA from the NDPP who had shared his thoughts on the railway election very recently was his personal opinion. He had clarified it publicly. So I have no comments. But as long as our alliance is concerned, we have alliances, but here in the local body elections, both the parties we had discussed earlier, but it transpired to be in this manner, so we are going to have a friendly match in some places. Yeah. I saw it on the WhatsApp. I do not know the authenticity of that clip. We've heard about it, but I have no comments because there is no confirmation about it from our party. And Honorable Advisor Tovi Hoto had not commented. And I don't think those discussions took place. It is up to any political party to give their opinion. So I have no comment on it. No, we have very few seats where BJP MLAs are representing 3 or 4 towns. In those areas, we have filed a nomination and will be contesting. The constituencies of the BJP from the Eastern Nagaland, they are not contesting because they have their own issues to be settled. They have their own mind. But I'm sure it's the alliance government between NDPP and BJP. So NDPP had also filed in several places in their own towns for discussion. No, as far as the NPO is concerned, there's a dialogue which has to be concluded. And so best sense prevailed for them. And if they had decided to not file the nomination or withdraw the nomination, it is up to them because they have the other bigger issues to be resolved. It's particularly on the trust on those intending candidates for any political party to come out unopposed, their candidates. So in few towns, few candidates are there from all political parties who have been declared unopposed. Yesterday was the last date of withdrawal. So it is a good sign for all the parties.
Emporium Nagaland is India's premier aviation, hospitality and cruise line training and international job placement consultancy. Trained and blessed over 20,000 youths from Nagaland in prestigious international brands. The only institute in Nagaland that hosts top airlines, cruise and 5-star hotel campus interviews. The first institute to conduct international cruise campus interview in Northeast. We are open to students of class 10 and above. Emporium provides 100% placement assistance, empowering educated unemployed youths with global opportunities.